two, three, start.
My
My
name
name
is
is
Chaitra
Chaitra
MG.
MG.
It is an
Title
index and it
Nidala
is an
Tegi.
aim and objective. The primary aim of this assignment is to design a simplified programming language that can mini etc and demonstrate how automata theory concepts like DFA, regular expressions, and parsing are used in real-world compiler constructions. Objectives to understand how source code is translated step by step, to explore token classification and pattern matching, to learn how errors are detected during complication, to design a structured programmer for a programming language, to gain practical exposure to language implementation technique. Introduction. The programming language acts as a bridge between humans and computers. However, computers cannot directly understand high-level languages. To a compiler or interpreter is required. Phase of compiler lexical analysis, syntax analysis, semantic analysis, and code optimization, code generation. In many ETCs focuses it is mainly on the first two phases, where are the functions of compiler design. Important of automata theory helps in designing efficient lexical analyzer, provides mathematical models like DFA and NFA, ensures accuracy in pattern recognition. In mini-ATC language, mini-ATC it is intentionally keep simple to focus on understanding language, producing concepts. Data types supported like integer, optimal extension, float and char. Operators support arithmetic and assignment. Control structures optional if statements, simple conditions. Advantages: easy to implement, ideal for the academic study, helps in understanding real languages like Python and C. Lexical analysis and phases design. Lexical analyzer in lexical analyzer it reads the program characters by character and groups them into tokens responsibilities. Remove widespread identity tokens and errors. In examples, it taken int sum is equal to a plus b. It token string int sum equal to a plus b. Parser it is a parser checks if the token sequence follows the program rules. Types of parsing it is a top-down parsing, bottom-up parsing. Tokens and rules. It determines token categories, keywords, reserved words with predefined meaning. Example int if else. Identifier it is a user-defined name. Rules must start with a letter, cannot use keywords. Operators citizen symbols performing operations examples plus minus delimiters it is a special symbols tokens formation rules case initiatives no faces inside identifier specific characters not allowed and it is a regular expression. Regular expressions are patterns used to match and validate strings in compiler design. Regular expressions are used in lexical analysis to identify tokens such as identifiers, numbers, keywords, and operators. They help the lexical analyzer recognize whether the gives input follows the correct format or not. Regular expressions for identifier it must be there with a letter A to Z, it followed by letter digits or underscore. Regular expressions for numbers It only digits from 0 to 9. DFA for identifier and numbers. DFA for identifier, it is a rule must start with a letter A to Z or underscore, and remaining characters can be letter digits 0 to 9. It is status used to Q0, it is a start state. Q1, it is accepted state. Means it works like DFA starts from state Q0. If the first character is letter underscore, it means to Q1. It in Q1 letter, it is digits and underscores are followed repeatedly. If anyone specific symbols appears, DFA rejects an input. DFA diagrams for identifier. It is in DFA for numbers. It rules a number must contain only digits 0 to 9. At least one digit should be present. It is in syntax. It is used to Q0. It is in start state. Q1, it is an accept state. It works. DFA starts from Q0. If a digit is entered, it is moved to Q1. Additional digits keep the DFA in Q1. If any letter or physical character causes rejection, it is an example, and it is an implementation to program begin int x equal to x is equal to 10. It is an print and x, it and it is end. Like in keywords begin, end, int and print. It is an program, it is an output like in tokens, begins with an keyword, int it is an keyword, star it is an identifier, print it is keyword, end. It is an test cases, begin int x equal to 10, print into end, the program is correct, expected result is program is correct. Then begin int num is equal to 2, print number n, then also program is correct, like this. And it is in conclusion, the mini ATC projects helps in understanding the basic concepts of compiler design. Through these projects, we have learned how tokens are identified and how valid and invalid identifiers are checked using programming language logic DFA concepts. The project is simple, easy to understand, and useful for beginners who want to learn the fundamentals of compiler design and tokens validation. It is on references. Thank you.